828 Find Adventure. There has got to be a better solution for keeping a first aid kit in the cab of your truck. Well, I found one. It's made by Blue Ridge Overland Gear, so let's go check it out. Okay guys, so let's take a look at what I got from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. This is a bag and an attachment for the headrest. Let's take a look at this. This is where you could keep first aid or other things. It's really made for first aid. Has a place here to put a name badge, which I will. Has two nice pulls on it. If you can see those are really heavy duty. Very nice. And let's look at the other features of this bag before we install it. Okay. So basically what we have here is a bag that velcros to the back of your headrest. This right here will go on the back of the headrest, and this here will keep all the first aid stuff if that's what you're going to keep in it. Let's take a look at this. Has some nice features here. You can put pill bottles, you can clip all kinds of things in here. Another bag, has some more Velcro right here. Has little pouches sewn into the back here. Has some elastic here to hold some bottles or bandages. Some little hooks here where you can put a carabiner or hold other things. This will hold a lot. It's expandable, as you can tell. It's pretty thick. I'll put dimensions under the video in the description. But it's really nice. It's got some really nice heavy-duty pulls on it. You can zip it up. So there you go. So let's go put this thing in the truck. As you can see, I already have a Blue Ridge Overland Gear behind the seat trash bag. You can put all kinds of things in this. I use it mostly for trash. It's heavy duty, it's waterproof. It has little pockets here if you want to put some pins and a pad, or I don't know, your kid wants to put his cell phone, but basically I use it for trash. And it works great. My kid uses it all the time, thankfully. I have it behind the driver's seat, and I can't reach it myself, but my kid can reach it to put his chicken fingers and whatnot into the trash where they belong. So let's go ahead and install this behind the headrest bag, and let's see how it does. Okay, so basically you have this piece right here. This is going to go over the headrest and under. As you can see, I have a grab handle. I also have this. So I'm going to raise the seat up a little bit. Can you see that? I'm going to remove the grab handle. I don't think it's needed. Behind my seat, we'll see. I might put it back on, but basically I'm going to leave that like this. So basically you have this right here, and you want this to go on that. So let's see how it does. So basically you have these two straps here. Put that over this. That fits really snug. I don't know if you can see that. Let's put this one under here through the buckle, just like any normal buckle would work. We'll pull that through. I'm gonna pull it up really tight, even it out. I'll show you what it looks like from the front too, while my head would be resting. check that. There we go. It's all on there. Here's the bag. We'll put the bag on just like this. Let me show you what it looks like from the front. It's smooth. It's not going to bother my head at all. My head doesn't really, I don't ride with my head back here against the headrest. It's just kind of, you know, so that's fine. That works great. All right, so let's see what we can put in this thing. And I don't know if you saw that, but look at that. It sticks up there really easy. It comes off, but it's got a ton of Velcro, as you can see. So let's go transfer some things. Okay, so here we have the bag. Has this nice Velcro. Has a pocket on the front here. I believe that's just so you people can see what's inside. Has another Velcro strip here where you can stick things. You know, you could stick patches, or you could stick, you know, your name, or you could stick a label like first aid. Blue Ridge Overland Gear also sells those, and you can get them with, you know, that say first aid or in different colors to go on there so people know. Right here. So let's see if we can transfer this stuff. We've got a lot of things in here, but maybe we can find some decent pockets for them to go. These pockets right here are pretty big. Problem with that. Just like that. Check it out. You can just get it. If you need to go fix somebody's wound. Man, that's great. And if you have small kids who ride in car seats in your car, this would be a great place to keep a bunch of stuff to entertain them, because they could get it out themselves. It's just nice zippers with big pulls, and you know, you could keep, I don't know, goldfish in there, crackers, whatever you need. So this is pretty good stuff. It's quality. They sell all kinds of different things for your truck or overland vehicle. It's Blue Ridge Overland Gear. I'll put a link to their website under the video in the description, so you should go check them out. They're really good quality, and that actually shipped out to me pretty quick. Man, that's great. Looks good. I might get another one for the other seat over here. Yeah, that's good. Now I'm gonna put the trash bag back on. Here you go. And this trash bag, check it out. It just snaps on. Makes it for easy removal, or you can adjust it, whatever you need to do. But I love that thing as well. I don't think I'm gonna put the grab handle back on. I don't think it's necessary on this side. But there you go. Really great additions to your truck, an easy mod, and they're very functional. So, you know, I'm just gonna probably pick up a few more things from them over the next year. I'm really happy with these. So let me know what you think in the comment section below the video. I'd really appreciate it. And very handy. So check out Blue Ridge Overland Gear. I think you'd really like it. Well guys, I hope you like my solution for finding a better place to store a first aid kit in the cab of your truck. This thing is great. It's out of the way. It's easy to get to. And it can hold more things than just a first aid kit. You could put all your kids' junk in here. You could fill it with recharging cords. You could fill it with all your kids' stuff. You know, little coloring books, pencils, goldfish. You know, you could use it for all kinds of things. I'm gonna use it for first aid. I think that's what it was made for. You know, I'm gonna get a little name tag for it maybe. Anyways, it's a great solution. It's out of the way. And, you know, I think it's a good thing. And I think it's pretty neat. And they make, Blue Ridge Overland Gear makes great products. You know, I've had the trash bag behind my seat for a while now. And I really like it. I like that it's so functional. All their stuff is very functional. So you should go check them out. I'll put a link under the video in the description, and comment below if you have any questions about these bags. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow. And I've got more videos coming on the Tundra and other things, so stay tuned, and I will see you next week. See ya.